Yellowstone National Park, a natural wonder beyond imagination. Welcome to Ultra Wonders. We'll take you on a breathtaking journey through one of the most extraordinary places on Earth, Yellowstone National Park. Covering nearly 3,500 square miles, this park, established in 1872, is the world's first national park. It's a wonderland of natural beauty, geothermal phenomena, and abundant wildlife, located primarily in Wyoming, but also extending into Montana and Idaho. The Yellowstone supervolcano. What makes Yellowstone particularly unique is its location atop a supervolcano. The Yellowstone caldera, created by a massive eruption over 600,000 years ago, covers a 30 by 45-mile area. While the supervolcano is currently dormant, its past eruptions were so powerful they affected global climates. Scientists continuously monitor the volcanic activity beneath Yellowstone. Despite its destructive potential, the supervolcano is also what makes the park's geothermal features possible. The majestic landscapes of Yellowstone is home to an array of stunning landscapes that vary from towering mountains and sprawling meadows to dense forests and deep canyons. Its dramatic features are sculpted by ancient volcanic activity, erosion, and glacial movements. Wildlife in Yellowstone is a sanctuary for an incredible variety of wildlife, making it one of the last remaining intact ecosystems in the temperate zone of the Northern Hemisphere. Seasonal wonders of Yellowstone transforms with the seasons, offering different experiences for visitors throughout the year. Environmental conservation in Yellowstone. Yellowstone's ecosystems are fragile, and the park is at the forefront of conservation efforts. From preserving the natural habitats of its wildlife to monitoring the geothermal features, the park's management is dedicated to protecting its wonders. A timeless natural wonder. Yellowstone National Park is a place of unparalleled beauty, mystery, and wonder. From its bubbling geysers and colourful hot springs to its majestic wildlife and towering mountains, it's a destination that inspires awe and reverence. As you explore the park's vast landscapes and marvel at its geothermal activity, remember that Yellowstone is not just a place. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that needs to be cherished and protected. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Yellowstone National Park. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ultra Wonders for more fascinating explorations of the world's most incredible places.